Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. So as you can see, we are at Dollar General and we are about to get into a brand new couple of 5 off of 25 deals. So the first deal that I want to do, I want to see what's going on with this deal right here. And this is a digital coupon where if you spend $10 on Coca-Cola, Pringles, or Cheez-It products, you will save $4. I want to see if that coupon is going to work with the 5 off of 25 today. I am not sure. And this is directions on how to get that coupon. So just text Jolly to 34898 and that coupon should be delivered to you. So I'm going to do that first. And in order to get $10 worth of Coke products, I am going to grab 3 12 packs. They are on sale 3 for $11 this week. And I am going to try to use that coupon right there along with the $1 off 3 digital coupon. So let's grab these first. Now we're going to grab some Tide laundry detergent. So these are on sale for $4.95 and we are going to use the $2 off 1 digital coupon. The next item that was on my list for today was some Downy Wrinkle Release. They are on sale for $4.50 and we have a $2 off 1 digital. But my store doesn't appear to have that product, so I am going to get something else as a substitute. I will show you what I'm going to pick up. The first item that I think I'm going to sub is one of the Gain dryer sheets. So these are $2 and I'm going to use the $2 off 1 digital. Now we're going to grab some oral care products. So the first thing I'm going to grab is the Oral-B Indicator toothbrush for $2. We are going to use the $1 off 1 digital. And then we're going to grab one of these $2 Crest right here, the baking soda and whitening. These are $2. We're going to use the $1 off 1 digital. To substitute for the Downy Wrinkle Guard that they didn't have, I'm going to grab a Nivea lotion. So these are $3.65 on sale this week. And I have a $2 off 1 digital. That digital is an older coupon. So if you don't have it already downloaded, I don't think it's available for new downloads. But again, this is a substitution. If you don't have the Nivea, just grab the Downy if your store has that. All right, you guys, so here is a quick review of our all digital transaction number 1. So we have our 3 12 packs. They are 3 for $11. We are going to use the $4 off 10 digital coupon and then the $1 off 3 digital coupon. I also threw in this little pack of Cheez-Its to make sure I had a mixture of both products. I scanned this on the app. It does count towards that $4 coupon. It is 50 cents and this is the 1.5 ounce bag. So we're going to throw that in there for good measure. And then we are also going to grab one of the Nivea. They are $3.65. We're going to use that $2 off 1 digital. We have a Tide. It is $4.95. Going to use the $2 off 1 digital. We have the Gain that is $2. Going to use the $2 off 1 digital. And then we have the 2 Oral-B products. They are $2 and we are going to use the $1 off 1 digital. So our total before any coupons should be $26.10. Let's go check out. All right, you guys, that was a beautiful deal. So here is our receipt. So there's our Coke 12 packs. There's our Tide, our Nivea, our Gain sheets, our Crest products, and our Cheez-Its. Subtotal came up to $8.10, y'all, for all 9 of those items. $8.10. We had a total savings of $22.30. We got 9 items, including 12 packs, for under $1 an item. That is a beautiful deal. So let's go back in and we're going to do another transaction. Y'all, look at this. I thought my store didn't have the Downy Wrinkle Guard. They did have the Downy Wrinkle Guard. I could have did my original transaction, but it is okay. We're going to move on. But yes, check your end caps for the Downy Wrinkle Guard. So now we're going to do an all digital Gain deal. The first item that we are going to grab in this deal is 3 of these Gain dish soaps. So they are on sale 3 for $5 this week, and we are going to use the $1 off 2 digital coupon. Now we're going to grab a Swiffer product. So you can get the dusters, which my store is always sold out of, or you can get the refills. I'm going to go ahead and grab the refills for $4.50, and we are going to use the $2 off 1 digital coupon. We are also going to grab some Gain laundry detergent. Look, y'all, my store has a ladder here because you got to get to the back. We got a Gain laundry detergent. They are on sale for $3.95, and we are going to use the $2 off one digital coupon. We also need a fabric softener. They are also $3.95, and we are going to use our $2 off one digital coupon. And we need a Gain scented Febreze. These are $3. We are going to use a $1 off one digital coupon. So now we're going to grab some light bulbs. Yes, some light bulbs, y'all. I need some light bulbs. So these are $6. We're going to get the general purpose halogen light bulbs that are $6 for the 4-pack. And we are going to use the $1.50 off one digital coupon. So this is transaction number 2. We have our Gain deal over here that is all digital. We got the Gain fabric softener for $3.95, $2 off one digital. Gain laundry detergent for $3.95, $2 off one digital. We have our Swiffer for $4.50, $2 off one digital. We have our Febreze for $3, $2 off one digital. And then we have our 3 Gain dish soaps, 3 for $5, $1 off 2 digital. That's $20.40 of Gain products. Then to get us over $25, we're going to add in some light bulbs. These are $6, and we're going to use the $1.50 off one digital. So now we have a total of $26.40 in products. We're going to use our $5 off 25 store coupon and our 5 off of 20 Gain coupon. Let's go check out. All right, you guys, so that was another beautiful all digital transaction. So we got our light bulbs and all of our Gain products down there. So let me show you an up close of my receipt. There's our Gain dish soaps. There is our laundry detergent. There's our Febreze, our fabric softener, our Swiffer, and those light bulbs, $6. We got a $1.50 off digital coming off. Subtotal came up to $6.90. We had a total savings of $20.50 for those 8 items. So again, we paid less than $1 per all of those items, $6.90. Just the light bulbs alone are $6. So I think we did amazing. Let me know if you have any questions. As always, I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.